The Ivy Lee method is a simple yet effective productivity technique that dates back to the early 20th century and was popularized by Ivy Lee, a productivity consultant. It consists of a straightforward daily routine to help individuals prioritize tasks and improve focus. At the end of each workday, write down the 6 most important tasks you need to accomplish the following day. These tasks should be the highest priority items that will have the greatest impact on your goals and objectives. Rank the 6 tasks in order of priority. Consider factors such as deadlines, importance, and potential impact and determining the order in which to tackle them. The next day, focus on completing the tasks one at a time, starting with the first task on your list. Avoid multitasking and resist the urge to move on to the next task until the current one is completed. Work on each task until it is finished or until you have made significant progress. If a task is particularly large or complex, break it down into smaller, more manageable subtasks and focus on completing one step at a time. Once you have completed a task, cross it off your list and move on to the next one. Continue working through your list in order of priority until all 6 tasks have been completed. By encouraging individuals to plan their tasks the day before and prioritize them based on importance, the Ivy Lee method helps reduce decision fatigue and mental clutter. When individuals know exactly what they need to focus on each day, they can approach their work with greater clarity and purpose, leading to improved concentration and efficiency. Additionally, the act of writing down tasks and crossing them off as they are completed provides a sense of accomplishment and progress. This simple ritual can boost motivation and morale, reinforcing positive habits and encouraging continued adherence to the method. Furthermore, the Ivy Lee method promotes a proactive approach to time management, where individuals take control of their schedule and prioritize tasks based on their goals and objectives. This proactive mindset can lead to greater feelings of empowerment and satisfaction, as individuals become more intentional about how they allocate their time and energy.